we're gonna build a Quinzee in the backyard. Come learn how to build a Quinzee with us. Just over my shoulder is our backyard. It's the perfect place for our Quinzee. We're gonna have to start by bulldozing the snow with our hands, and then when my husband's done shoveling the driveway, we'll steal his shovel. Well, my kids got tired and they ditched me. They took their dad to the park. That's about how far we got today. I'm probably gonna add a little bit more while the kids are gone, but I'm running out of steam. Day 2, we are gonna add a little bit more, and then it's time to hollow this sucker out so we can use it as a play space all winter. Well, we've got as far as we're gonna get with this one-woman show. Abby left me, Parker didn't bother coming outside, my husband's at work, so it's just been me and I am done. So we've got about a 4-foot Quinzee. Now it's time to start digging it out. I am using a gardening trowel to dig out our hole, because snow shovels are too big and will ultimately collapse your doorway. So use a small shovel or a trowel. We've hollowed out the Quinzee quite a bit, but now we're getting to the point where I'm a little bit worried it might start caving in. So I've brought out these wooden kitchen skewers. We're gonna stick them through the top of the Quinzee, and that will give us an overall guide of how thick our walls are so that the Quinzee does not collapse on my children. And we've finished. It's only big enough for one of the kids. Go inside, Abby, and show everybody how you fit.
Fits perfectly.
Fits perfectly. That's how you build a backyard Quinzee. And I'm pretty sure if you had more than just one middle-aged mother and 2 toddlers, you could probably make a bigger one and fit more than just a 4-year-old inside. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you decide to build a Quinzee of your own, or you can share your Quinzee pictures on Instagram, #DownTheRabbitHole with a W. Bye!